Giant fish found stranded after flash flood in Garut. The flood disaster in Garut, West Java province on July 15, 2022, left an interesting story. The residents found a stranded giant fish identified as an Arapaima in residential areas around Cipejeuh, Garut. This predator fish is usually found in the Amazon River and is usually taken to Indonesia as a pet fish. It is suspected that the fish were carried away when the flood occurred. The question is, why can the fish that usually live in the Amazon River be carried to the resident settlements?